Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to do a quick review of this new portable fan that's battery powered and that's great for camping. So what I really wanted to talk about first is the quality of the fan. So, as you can see, it's not a really huge fan, but it packs a lot of power and is very light. And this is something that you're gonna want hanging over you while you sleep. So the design of this actually has a hook at the bottom, so you can hook it at the top of your tent when you use it. And then also, it comes with 3 settings. So the fan's on, fans twisting more, and then it also has 3 light modes. So light, a little bit less light, and a little dimmer light. So when you're camping, it's nice to have something that I could just hang on top of me while I'm sleeping during the night and just have this little light. Also, when I wake up, I have to go in the bathroom in the middle of the night while I'm camping. It's nice to have this little light feature that I can turn on and off, and then not wake up my significant other right next to me. So that's my quick breakdown of all the features I love about this fan. I have to say that this fan is something that I'm really gonna love adding to my camping gear. I'm a person that gets really hot at night at all times. Having a portable fan that I can just put on the table while I'm playing cards with my friends, or having a way to add a little extra light to my setup when I'm setting stuff up or something in the dark is wonderful to have. So if you want a nice portable fan that's gonna work out for you, that's gonna be a great addition to your camping equipment, make sure you check out this fan from Amazon.